At Rawlplug, we constantly invest in innovation and premium quality. Our mission is to provide state-of-the-art solutions our customers can trust, and we can accomplish this goal, among other reasons, because our products are subject to a series of tests before they finally reach the customers. Prototyping is one of the most crucial processes for us, and it has been completely revolutionized by the 3D printing technology. With Sinterit Lisa Pro, we bought more than just an SLS 3D printer. We bought time. We managed to shorten the waiting time for prototypes from 2 weeks to 2 days. You need to know that prototyping is an extensive multi-threaded process. It's way more than 3D printing. But since we have Lisa Pro in-house, we don't have to wait for external companies to provide the prints. Choosing SLS was indisputable. We have experience with FDM and SLA 3D printers, but to print a lot of small elements, such as wall plugs, SLS is the best technology, especially that Lisa Pro is in the same price range that quality FDM and SLA 3D printers. We never discussed that the printer should be faster. It's because of our workflow. We design and evaluate the models throughout the week and initiate the printer on Friday afternoon. When we start our work on Monday, the prints are ready and we can work with them straight away. Before buying Lisa Pro, we sent to Sinterit a specially designed model to check if the effect will meet our expectations. We strongly recommend anyone to do the same. As we have been very satisfied with the result, the purchase decision was obvious. My name is Dominika Zarówna and I'm a design engineer at Rawlplug company.
To stay updated with our new videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time.